Good afternoon, my dear students. I am fine and hope you all will be fine. As we discussed in our previous class, multiplication of numbers by 2 digits and by 3 digits. Today we will discuss word problems on mathematics. I am going to solve some questions of exercise 6.3. Let us try to understand. Now read the first question of your book. Your question is, a man saves 350 rupees per month. How much money does he save in 4 years? It is given money saved by man per month is rupees 350 and asking the money saved by the man in 4 years. So we will write our solution in words also like this. Solution of question number 1. A man saves money is equal to a man saves money in 1 month. In 1 month is equal to rupees 350. In the first statement is given, a man saves rupees 350 per month. Money saved by man is 350 in 1 month. Number of years given means he saves money in 4 years. So first of all we will calculate number of months in 4 years. So we will write he saves money for 4 years. 4 years. So number of months in 4 years, we will calculate number of months in 4 years is equal to, as we know, there are 12 months in a year. So in 4 years we will have 4 into 12 months, which is equal to 48 months. 48 months. Okay. Now we will calculate number of means money saved by the man in 4 years. So we will write money saved. Man saves money in 48 months is equal to man saves money in 48 months is equal to rupees 350 multiplied by 48. When you multiply 48 by 350, you will get the money saved by the man in 4 years. Now when you multiply it, you will get 16,800 rupees. Means the money saved by the man in 4 years is equal to 16,800. At last you can write thus 16,800 in 4 years. So this is the solution of question number 1. Similarly, you will solve other questions. One more question I am going to solve from this exercise. Remaining questions you will solve. If problem will come, I will discuss in Google Classroom. I hope you understood this solution. Now I am going to solve question number 12 of exercise 6.3. Read question. The cost of a toy is 775 rupees. Find the cost of 15 packets if each packet contains 4 toys. Means a toy cost is given to us and 15 packets of toys given, and in each packet 4 toys are there. So we have to calculate total cost of toys. So let us see the solution. I am going to erase this solution. Now I am going to solve solution of question number 12. We will write like this. The cost of a toy is rupees 775. The cost of a toy is equal to rupees 775. Number of packets of toy is equal to 15. Number of packets of toys is equal to 15. Now, since each packet contains 4 toys, so total number of toys we have to calculate. Number of toys in 15 packets. We will calculate number of toys in 15 packets. So we write, since each packet contains 4 toys, therefore total number of toys is equal to 15 multiplied by 4. One packet contains 4 toys, so 15 packets contains 15 multiplied by 4 means 60 toys. We have total 60 toys. Now we have to calculate the cost of 60 toys. We have cost of 1 toy given. So we will write, therefore the cost of 60 toys is equal to rupees 775 multiplied by 60. When will you multiply 775 by 60? You will get your answer 46,500 rupees. 46,500. So this is the cost of 60 toys. So you can write, thus the cost of 15 packets of toy equal to, thus the cost of 15 packets of toy, 15 packets of toy is equal to rupees 46,500. This is the answer. This is the answer of question number 12. I hope you understood how to solve the problems on multiplication. I solved 2 questions for you. According to this solution, you will solve the remaining question of this exercise. Now, our next topic is word problems on mixed operations. Mixed operations means we have operation addition, subtraction and multiplication. Might be we have addition with multiplication, subtraction with multiplication, or all 3 operations together. Means mixed operations we have. So how will we solve this kind of questions? Let us see question number first of exercise 6.4. I am going to read this solution, and now we are going to read problems on multiplication. Problems on multiplication, which is mixed problem, which is problems on multiplication, that is, or we can write problems on mixed operations. Problems on mixed operations, and these operations are addition, subtraction and multiplication. Here I am writing multiplication. Means we are going to learn now mixed problems, that is mixed problems on mixed operations. So I am going to solve one question from exercise 6.4. Total number of questions are given in this 4. One I am going to solve, remaining 3 you will solve. Let us see the solution of question number 1. So now open your book and read question number 1 of exercise 6.4. Question number 1 is, the cost of 1 kg of apples is rupees 120 and cost of 1 kg of potato is rupees 60. What is the total cost of 5 kg of apples and 12 kg of potatoes? In this question, we have given weight of apple, weight of potato, and price of 1 kg of apple and price of 1 kg of potatoes. And we have to calculate the price of 5 kg of apples and 12 kg of potatoes all together. Means total cost of the apples and potatoes. So let us see how to solve this kind of problem. Ready? Question number 1 of exercise 6.4. As stated, cost of 1 kg of apple is rupees 120. So we will write, it is question number 1, solution of question number 1. We have given cost of 1 kg of apples is equal to rupees 120. Therefore, cost of 5 kg of apples, therefore cost of 5 kg of apples is equal to rupees 120 multiplied by 5. It will be rupees, when you multiply 0, 5 to the 10, 0 carry 1, 5 on the 5 1, 6, rupees 600. This is the cost of 5 kg of apple. Now also we have cost of 1 kg of potatoes is equal to rupees 60. Cost of 1 kg of potatoes is rupees 60, and therefore cost of 12 kg of potatoes. Therefore cost of 12 kg of potatoes is equal to rupees 60 multiplied by 12, which is equal to 0 here and 12 is here 72, rupees 720. Then we will write thus: total cost of 5 kg of apples and 12 kg of potatoes. Now total cost of 5 kg of apples and 12 kg of potatoes is equal to rupees 600 plus rupees 720. When we do add, it will come 1320, that is 1320. So this is the required answer. Like this you will solve the problems of exercise 6.4. I hope you understood how to solve problems on mixed operations. Thank you.